Pero kayo may mga sakit, may mga tupak. And I'm sure that by now, he should not be allowed to go out because double murder yun eh. Double murder is a serious offense, a grave offense. So, from the time you are arrested up to the time that you are hailed to court to answer for the death of those two persons, innocent ones, walang bail ka. So, pag nahuli ka, diretso-diretso na yan. And I don't think that you can escape the rigors of justice because nakuha sa TV, pati ako napanganga. Kawala-walang kwenta. Kasi that's unfair and brutal masyado. Kung ako ang nandyan, ewan ko lang. I don't, pero I do not like oppression. At yung na tao, nagpapahirapan yung tao. Usually kasi itong police, you tend to exhibit your authority even in matters not connected with police work. Yung mga away-away. Karamihan niya mga police yan, nagbinubugbog yung asawa. So kung kayong nabinubugbog ng asawa ninyo na police, pumunta lang kayo sa Malacañang, kaya ipatawag ko yung police, bugbugin ko yan sa harap mo. Para magdemanda, ihulog ko na lang sa Pasig. Maggago kayong putang ina. Ang pagmamahal ko sa trabaho lang natin, you do something which is not out of the ordinary, like just pulling a gun and shooting people. You must be... ikulong ninyo yun. Huwag ninyo bitawan yung yawa na yan. Like to call the PNP, be sure that he is detained. He should not be allowed to go out. Kasi serious offense yan. There's no bail. So, hindi makabail yan. So, diretso-diretso na yan.
Mr. President.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Magbigay lang po ako ng update dito po kay Police